Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today is gonna be a little different. Just a little bit. So I know I'm a gaming channel, but today we're gonna switch things up. And today we're gonna react to a video. So we're gonna do some reactions, and I picked out two amazing videos. Is it cake or fake? Ooh. So it's cake or fake. Basically, it's gonna show an item, and you have to guess if it's fake or if it's cake. Okay? So play this game along with me, and let's see how many we can get. Before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and do everything else. Now, let's get into the video! Okay, so we have the video right here, so let's go. Okay. So we're going to be guessing. Okay. So, I think... Okay, let's go back. So I personally think that looks very much like cake. It kind of looks like cake, but I have doubts. So I think I'm gonna go for fake or real. I think I'm gonna go for real. It's a real lemon. Okay, now we have this shoe here, this shoe, and it looks actually pretty concerning. Like, it looks pretty real. I think I'm gonna have to go for cake. It looks like, it doesn't have like the highlights, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna go for cake. By the way, make sure to put your answers in the comments and see how many you get right. Okay. It's cake! Okay, now we have this like sandwich box something, like it's a sandwich, you know? So let's see, okay. The plastic looks real. Like, it looks so real because the reflection. But if you look at like the cardboard or like the brown part, it looks very much like cake. So I think I'm gonna have to go for cake. But I'm having like big doubts because the sandwiches look real. Okay, cake. Oh, it was cake! Oh my god, okay, that was cool. Now we have this, I don't know. I actually don't know. I think it's cake. I think so. It's just neat. It looks like cake. It looks like cake. It does. It looks very much like cake. Because you know, like there's like color on it, and like this one, it just gives out like a cake vibe. It looks like cake. So I think I'm gonna go for cake. It has to be cake. Yes. Okay. All right. Now we have this mango. I'm kind of seeing this looks pretty real, but I feel like they tried to make this look really real. But if you look closely, I think it is real. It's real, okay. Now we have this like hair straightener or curler or whatever this is. Not sure what it is, but it's something. It looks very real. I think this is real because it's giving off that real vibe. I think it has that reflection, so I think I'm gonna go for real. It was real, okay. Okay, now we have this tomato. Honestly, if you look at the green part, it doesn't look that real. Like, and the reflection, I'm not sure. Okay, I didn't even guess that one, but like, I don't even know because I wasn't sure, okay. Oh, now these are, okay, it's hard. These are definitely cake. Like, if you just look at those two things covering the background, you can see how are they not falling. Like, they're not falling, so it's definitely cake. 100%. Yeah, that was definitely cake. Like, McCafe. Okay, so here we have a McDonald's coffee or something. It's from McCafe, so McDonald's. I don't know about this one. It does look real. It looks very real. But then it looks fake. Like the writing. It looks like cake also. I'm gonna go for cake. It was real. Oh, okay. Okay, that's definitely cake. That is 100% cake. There's nothing about this that really looks real. This is like 100% cake. Cake. Yeah, I had no doubts. Ooh, this one's kind of hard. But if you do look at the gray spots right there, you can clearly see it looks very like cake. And like that wire, that black wire, looks so fake. I'm so sorry. Okay, I think that is cake. Is it? It's cake. It's cake. Oh, and there's gelatin in the middle. Oh, that it just fell apart. Oh, that's so sad. It's so sad to see like the cake fall apart because it looks so pretty. Okay. Okay, this is getting a little hard. I don't know about this. Actually, this is really hard. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna think real. It was real. Okay, okay. Now this one actually doesn't look like cake because there's like hair strands in that cone. I don't think you would put hair in your cake. So I am going to think that I don't know. Okay, I'm going to think that it's real. It has to be real. It's cake! Oh, ew, that looks disgusting. Oh. Okay, okay. Carrots. Carrots. These look actually pretty real. Because you can see like the white parts on it. That looks so real. It looks like rusty. I think it's real. No, yeah, I think it's real. It's real, okay. If it was cake, I would be so mad right now. Now this kind of looks like cake. Like, I think this whole part is just giving it off. What do you guys think? I think this is cake. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go for cake. Was it real? Was it real? Wait. Oh my god, it was real! This looks straight up. These are tortillas, right? Tortillas? These are definitely real. No. Okay, I'm gonna say cake. I have like a lot of doubts. I think they're trying to trick me, so I'm gonna say cake. No, it's real. I should have trusted my guts. Oh my god. Okay. Now that looks real. That actually looks real. I think it's real. I don't know. But isn't that abnormally big for I think that's cake. No. Okay, it's real. I'm gonna go for real. It's cake? No. Okay, first of all, I don't think this is real at all because pizza places would never make your pizzas this good looking. Like they would never make it this good looking. They would never make it this saucy or cheesy. It has to be cake. This can't be real. Yes, okay, okay. Yep, I was right. I'm always right. I'm always right. Oh, okay. Anyways, now we have a bowl of cereal. First of all, I would never eat that. So I will stick to Fruit Loops because those are the best. But anyways, I think this looks very much like cake. But I'm gonna say real. I am gonna say real. Oh. Okay, I was right, but that was just really sad. Just cutting through like liquid. Oh. Okay, what is this? I don't know what this is, but I think it's like one of those like floor cleaners. I don't know what this is. You know what? I think this is cake. Because don't you think the reflections look like cake? But it also doesn't look like cake. But I'm gonna say cake. It's cake. Yes, yes. I can't believe it's not butter. Okay. Butter. Okay, so I don't know about this one, but I think it's real. Because it just looks real. But it also looks like cake. gonna say cake. I don't know, but when you look at it, it looks like cake, like a lot, but you think it's real. So I'm gonna say cake. Yes, I was right. I'm an expert. Expert. Now I think here we have a candle. I think it's a candle. It looks like a candle. I don't know about this one, but I think it's a candle. It's real. I think it has to be real because like the actual candle looks so real. Like that has to be a real. Yes. Okay, I was right. Yes, I'm an expert. There's something about this that definitely looks like cake. So I'm gonna go for cake. Yes! There was just something that looked like cake. Okay, this one has to be real. You can tell by the reflections. It is so real. Yes, I was right. Now, AirPods. I have a pair of AirPods, and this looks very not real. So I'm gonna say cake. Oh. The way she didn't even cut it, she just like took it away like, yeah, I don't want to cut this, so I'm just gonna, okay. Okay, now that's a little hard to guess, not gonna lie. I will guess for my faith that it is real. I don't think it's cake, but it looks like cake as well. I'm gonna say real. Okay, it was cake? Oh. Yeah, you've got a bit of a mess to clean there. Good luck. 4 million subscribers, I think, I don't know. Just one piece of cake? When you get 4 million subscribers, I do not think you should be celebrating with one slice of cake. You need a whole pizza, honey. I mean, pizza. You need a whole cake. You need a whole cake, honey. No, one slice isn't gonna cut it. Okay, anyways, I think this is obviously cake. Yeah, that was obvious. Just broke the table? Oh my god, that's sad. That's cake. Yep, knew it. That's real. That has to be real. That has to be real. Okay, that has to be real. But it looks like cake, doesn't it? It looks like cake though, doesn't it? Or is that just me? That is a weird looking strawberry. It's so chunky. I would eat that though. Chunky strawberries. But, I think that this is real. My whole life is a lie. Okay, I'm back. Next, this is cake. Cake. Wow, I'm so shocked. Okay, now what kind of abomination is this? Who in their right mind thought this was the right shoe to make? Who's gonna wear this? Cake. It's real? What is that abomination? Oh no one's wearing that. No one's wearing that. If you wear that shoe, you are disqualified from fashion. Okay, next. We have a beanie here. I think it's real. I knew it. That's cake. 100% cake. Yeah, I can see that. I mean, come on. That's a way too thick for a shirt. That's the thickest shirt I have ever seen. Okay, cake. They're trying to fool me. Yes, I knew it. They're trying to fool me. That's real. Cake. Cake. Real. This is hurting my brain. Like, I'm slowly losing brain cells every time I get one wrong. Okay. Don't worry, I was just summoning demons, but it's okay. Okay, broccoli. This is cake. Oh. Cake. 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 Okay. Let's switch things up. Okay, girl, let's switch it up. I think this one is cake and this one is real. Yeah. Oh, we have to guess one which is real or which is cake. This one is cake. This one is cake. This one. Okay, this one right here is cake. Yes! Now, I think we clearly see which one the cake is here. Now, I have never in my life seen a hot dog more perfect. So, this is the cake. This is cake. I feel heartbroken. Okay, I think this one is cake, first of all. Yes! Oh my god, I got it right! Okay, which one is fake? I mean, which one is cake? I think, honestly, to be honest, I think this one is cake. This green and black one over here. I should have known. First of all, I think this one is cake, but the way the hair thingy, like this little strand sticks out, is just giving it off. I told you. Okay, this one's hard. I'm not trying to be personal, but I think either this one or this one is cake. Yes, I was right. I feel like they're always trying to throw you off, so I think I'm gonna go for this one. Or this one, this one. This one or this one. Wait, was I right? I don't know. That's interesting. Which one is cake though? I think this one is cake, the soap bar. I think this one is cake. Yes, I was right. Oh, it was the lock too. These are all cakes. I think the middle one. This one or this one? The middle one or this one? These two. Yes, I was right. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put this one right here. No, this one. Yeah, this one. This one is definitely cake. It's kind of wobbly. Is that just me? Ew. Ew. This looks disgusting. This one is cake. Pickles, 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 pickles. This one is cake. Oh, it's not. This one has to be cake. This one up here. Oh, I should have known. Oh, they're both cake. That was good. Thank you, Sideserf Cake Studio. Thank you. Okay, well, that was a lot of fun. I hope you did have some fun in this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And comment down below how many you got right and how many points you got. And do you think you're an expert at these games? If you want me to do more of these reaction videos, then comment down below and I'll make sure to do some. Credits to this girl, Sideserf Cake Studio. This is their video, so yeah. Okay, anyways, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell notification button so you're notified every time I upload a new, fresh-baked video. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one.